So you have the brand new Pixel Fold, and you've noticed when you use the internal screens that you can only have an app on each side. You can actually have up to 3 apps open, and one's in a window where the other 2 are split screen. Well, you can actually do that on your Pixel Fold as well. So what you need to do is go into Settings and then About, and then go all the way down to the bottom where you see Build Number. You'll basically hammer on the build number for about 10 times. You'll get a little pop-up saying you're entering developer option. Once you've completed enabling developer options, you'll scroll down into System Settings, and there you will now see an option for developer options. Once you have developer options enabled, you're going to go into System and Developer Options. You're going to scroll all to the very bottom of all the settings, and down there you'll see an option in there to enable freeform windows. This will request you to reboot your phone, and now at this point you'll be able to use multiple freeform windows and can even have 3 apps open at once.